What are times when you need a broker exclusively to buy and sell stocks for you? In today's times, you don't need anyone to do it. You don't even need to pay a commission for each trade like some years before. And the best of all is that you can do it from the comfortability of your smartphone. So, in today's video, I will show you the top 5 best apps to invest in 2020 and I'm going to explain why. If you are looking to invest automatically, Acorn is your choice. This app lets you invest by recurring transfer or round ups for purchases made with the card linked to your Acorn account. And the best, if you want it to be passive, you don't need to pick individual stocks. So you say what strategy you want to move on and the app will invest by itself. Also, there is a little downside because they charge a monthly fee to maintain your account, ranging from $1 to $5, depending on if you want to set up a retirement account or an account for your kids. The base plan is $1 and that's $12 per year. So if you have $100 invested, you will pay $12 of that in fees, which is high. But if you have a more considerable amount, for example $10,000, that $12 per year will be insignificant. Another app is TD Ameritrade and is well known in the online brokerage industry and is considered for many review websites like the best overall app to invest. Here are some details about this one. The best feature that they have is the $0 commission trade that they offer. This means that you can buy or sell a stock without paying them anything for that transaction. This may sound you obvious, but some years before, almost all brokers charge commission that could go up to $50 per trade. Imagine that you want to buy one stock like Ford that today cost is $7 and you need to pay $57 for it. Well, fortunately, those times are behind. Now, almost every brokerage app has a $0 commission fee. The next one is eTrade, and this one stands out like one of the best, which is because this app is a one-stop shop for investing. You can set an automatic path to follow like Acorns or invest by yourself, such as TD Ameritrade. On top of that, you can open a retirement account, a high-yield saving account, and they announce that soon will give its user the possibility to trade with cryptocurrencies. Also, eTrade has a plus, and this one is that they have a knowledge section on their website where you can learn a lot about investing for free. The only thing to consider here is if you want to make a passive investment as you do on Acorns, you need to pay a small fee of 0.30% annually in what they call core portfolio. You can also do what they call a blended portfolio, which is the same as core, but you have a financial advisor helping you choose your portfolio, and the fee for this one in the first $100,000 is 0.90% per year. Now we have SoFi, an app that can do many things like taking personal or student loans. You can manage your finances on their app, check your credit score, and what we talk here, invest. With SoFi, you also invest with a $0 commission per trade, but they have a cool feature called fractional shares, where you can buy a piece of a stock if you don't wanna buy it all. For example, if Apple stock worth $100 and you don't have all the money or don't wanna spend all on that, you can buy a piece of that stock. You can buy $10 of Apple, and you will have 0.1 stock of Apple. This feature lets people with small budgets to invest in companies with high stock prices. Also, in SoFi, you can buy cryptocurrencies, but you need to pay 1.25% of the transaction amount. But it is still an excellent feature to have your stock investments in the same app of your crypto investments. The last app that I wanna share with you today and my favorite right now is Robinhood. This app is intuitive and straightforward to use. You can buy and sell stocks for $0 commission as the other brokerages, but even trade options and cryptos without fees too. In addition, you can buy fractional shares for as little as $1 per stock. They also have a cash management account that you can set up and give you interest on the money you left in that account, which is also a debit account which you can use anywhere where MasterCard is accepted. They have a network of 75,000 fee-free ATMs which you can use with your card. Your money in this cash management account is protected by the FDIC up to $1.25 million, so you will not lose your money up to that account. They also have a membership program called Robinhood Goal, where you pay $5 per month and have access to professional reports from a well-known website called Morningstar, so you will see more analysis before buying any stock. Also, you have access to level 2 market data, which lets you see the actual bid and ask for any given stock. And lastly, with this gold membership, you have access to margin investing. This means you can use money from Robinhood to invest. For my overview, Robinhood is the best for the beginner and medium investor because the app's interface is easy to understand and the app doesn't have any fee that you need to worry about. Well, that's all for today. I hope these apps can help you invest better and most comfortable, but always remember to research yourself before jump into any specific app to make sure you are getting the best product for your needs. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future video. Well, see you in the next video.